I have some really good news for you today. What you're learning today in math, we kind of learned yesterday already. So if you are very confident with what we did yesterday, today's not going to be a really big deal. Today we are looking at bar graphs. We're looking at the scales that they might have on the side for their numbers, what we're counting by to get to the next number. And today we're going to start looking very carefully at what happens when the number you have to draw for your bar doesn't actually match with one of the bars or the numbers on the side. The best thing is it's actually just really easy to do this. If I have a 10 here and a 20 here and I need to draw a 15, where am I going to put it? Yeah, I'm going to put it right in the middle of those two. If I have a 3 here and a 6 here and I have to do the number 5, is 5 closer to 6 or closer to 3? Closer to 6. So I'm going to do it just underneath the 6. So this is a really easy lesson. You're just going to get a little bit more practice working with scales on a bar graph. Let's open up our books and see what you're going to be doing today. You're going to open up to page 195 today, and you're going to be doing 3 full pages today with bar graphs. So in this one, students voted for their favorite summer activity, and you can see the results over here. Make sure you take a close look at the scale. You're going to use this information to fill out this chart, and then you've got some questions. You don't have to do the bonus today. You're going to use the bar graph to answer the questions, okay? I don't think I need to go over all of those for you today. Number 2, Jake and Hannah asked their classmates about pets. These are their bar graphs. So Jake made this one and Hannah made this one. You're going to fill in this table. So here are the number for Jake's graph. Here are the number for Hannah's graph. Now I want you to look really carefully at their labels. They do not put their labels in the same order. So when you're filling them out here, make sure that you put the number for cats, find the number for cats, the number for cats. The number for dogs, number for dogs, number for dogs, okay? Be very careful about that. Do the graphs show the same information, yes or no? So is this information the same? Do they look the same? I mean, I can answer that very quickly. I have eyeballs, I know if they look the same or not. How did Jake choose to order the labels on his horizontal axis? So horizontal axis just means this horizontal line. How did he choose to label them? Why did he choose this order? And then why did Hannah choose this order? Which pet was most common and which graph shows that more easily? All right, and then number 3. Sarah is researching different dog breeds. Again, you're going to fill in the table here using this. The dog breeds are just letters today for these ones. Instead of writing out all the names, it makes it a bit faster. And the mass is how much they weigh. So you're going to tell me how much they weigh based on here. What number does the scale skip count by? What does it skip count by here? Are there any bars that end between the numbers? Look very carefully. And then you can use this table, you're going to use this table to fill out this second graph. These 2 graphs are showing the same information, but the difference is the scale. This one goes up by 1 number and this one goes up by a different number. Are there bars that end between numbers on this graph? Which one takes up more space? Again, you have eyeballs. This is a really quick, easy one. Use the graphs to say which dog breed has a mass 8 kilograms greater than a Dalmatian. So you're going to find what the Dalmatian weighs, and then look, 8 above. Which one is 8 above that? And which graph makes that answer an easier thing to see? Then you're going to use the graphs to find out which breed weighs 22 kilograms less than a collie. And which graph makes this easier to answer. You do not need to do anything on page 198 today. Off you go.